Hey guys, what's up? This is Jared Call. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a shoulder workout with dumbbells. I have 25 pounders right here. You can bring whatever size is good for you. Let's get right into it.
20-second lateral raises. Take a break. Thirty-second dumbbell press. Take a break. Second rear delt fly. Take a break. Second dumbbell upright row. Take a break. Second dumbbell raises. Take a break. Second dumbbell press. Take a break. Second stretch. Take a break. Workout complete.
There you go, guys. If this was useful to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend. Also, buy my merch in the description down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.